Okay, thanks for coming. So today we've got a Polaris Heads Up machine display. Goes on your dash, heads up your speed onto the windscreen, and apparently it has a charge port issue. So we'll just do a quick try out. Yep, nothing. No lighting up. No nothing. So it's looking like they are correct. So we'll pull this apart. We've got some screws in the back and we'll have a look. Well, that was easy. That's what we like. Alrighty. So that's it all there. We've got our charge port, which at the moment looks pretty solid. Okay. Well, we'll fire up the microscope and we'll have a look. Get that to focus. Actually looks alright in there. Quite nice and solid. Okay. We've got all the joints are cracked, but everything looks pretty well intact. I think we're going to be able to just solder them together. Alright, turn the soldering iron on. And a little bit of flux, or a lot. Looks worse than it is because it's tiny. Some solder. Right. We've certainly got more than enough solder there, haven't we? I'd have to pull a little bit of that away. Looks better. We'll just check that these two here aren't connected. which they are. Okay.
See if that got it. Before we put any more on. Spread a bit of butter on it.
There we go. Now we're looking better. We'll do a clean up and a little bit of a test. Where's the brush? A little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Okay, give it a try. We got lights. Okay, so that's all working. So we'll put it back together carefully. Okay. Bit of a clean up. Final check. Nice. Turn these lights off. There we go. All good. So we'll leave it at that. We'll have to take it out to a car and drive to test the GPS and that, but looks like it's all good. So nice easy one, little bit of soldering, and we're back up and going again. So hope you got something out of it. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.